Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today is 26th May 2021, and today we will start our topic, that is fifth 5 states of matter in chemistry, and the code is 086. Right, students? You have already studied about the 3 states of matter, right? You have studied about the 3 states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, right, students? So these 3 states of matter you have already studied, but now what happens, scientists are inventing new state of matter, that is the 4th state and the 5th state, right? So we have to study now 5 states of matter, right? Normally we will study 3 states of matter, but scientists are researching many more states of matter. The 2 states of matter again he has researched. Number 1 is the plasma, that is the 4th state of matter, right, students? This is the 4th state of matter. And next one is the Bose-Einstein condensate, right, students? Bose-Einstein condensate. I will write here BEC. So first we will discuss about the plasma, right? Plasma. So plasma, students, we will talk about the plasma, that is the 4th state of matter, and you will surprised to know that the plasma is the most common state of matter that is in the universe. Okay, plasma is present, or you will found it in the universe, and it is the most super energetic and excited particles, right, students? Plasma is the super energetic and super excited particles. Plasma is the super energetic and excited particles, right, students? Plasma is the super energetic and excited particles, and it is found, plasma is found in the universe, right? In the universe, plasma fills the interplanetary and interstellar space. Plasma fills the planetary and interstellar in universe, right? And again I am telling you that this stars, sun, right, these all are made up of the plasma, right? So they are the constituent of the stars. Plasma is the constituent of the stars, right? Plasma is the constituent of stars. Okay, plasma is the constituent of stars, and sun also, sun like most stars is a ball of the plasma, right? So it is filled the interstellar and interplanetary in the universe. Plasma is the constituent of stars, right? Now like for example, you will see in your home tube light, right? LED or tube light, these all made up of the plasma, right? The fluorescent, the shining, the glowing region is by the presence of the plasma, right? The fluorescent tube and the neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. Inside a neon sign bulb, there is a neon gas, okay? Neon gas is present in neon sign bulb. Right, students? Neon sign bulb. Okay. So what I am telling you, the plasma glows with a color, different color. That means depending upon the nature. Yes, what the nature I have taken. Depending upon the nature, it will depend. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of the plasma. Okay, that I have explained you, that plasma fills the interstellar and the interplanetary. Right. So now what happens in plasma? The plasma, what is the examples of the plasma? Right. Or how the plasma is made. Right. The plasma is made in a laboratory. Right, students? Plasma is made in a laboratory by heating a gas to many thousand degrees. By heating a gas, plasma is made in laboratory by heating to many thousand degrees. Right, students? So how the plasma is made in the laboratory? By heating it, and then a vigorous collision between its atoms. Okay? A vigorous collision between its atoms, that the electrons are free, and then it consists of electron and proton, electrons and protons. In plasma, this is the gas now. Okay, this is the super excited particles. Right. So what happens here? Plasma contains electrons and protons both. Right. That means positively charged ion and the negatively charged ion. Right. So it is a neutral. Plasma is a neutral. Now the examples of the plasma. Examples of plasma. Examples of plasma, students, like I told you that in tube light, right, the neon gas bulb, right, the fluorescent, the glowing bulb. Okay, so number one example of plasma is the glowing gas inside, the glowing gas inside neon sign bulb. Okay, neon sign bulb, and fluorescent light is actually plasma. Okay, fluorescent, the shining, the glowing part. Okay, or fluorescent light is fluorescent is actually plasma. Okay, fluorescent is actually plasma. The glowing gas inside the neon sign bulb is plasma. Number second example, students, is about the TV. Okay, that is glowing part of TV is plasma. Glowing part of plasma TV. Okay, this is number second example. Now number third is the exhaust of big rockets. Okay, the exhaust of big rockets. Right, the exhaust of big rockets is also a plasma. Now last example is I am telling you about the lightning bolts, the thundering lightning strike occurs, so it is also example of plasma. Lightning lightning of bolts. Bolts means lightning strike occurs, right? Thundering. Or another example I am telling you last, that is a solar wind, also example of the plasma, right students? Solar wind. Okay, so this is about the plasma. Plasma is the super energetic and the excited particles. It fills the interplanetary and interstellar region in universe. Plasma is the constituent of stars, sun, neon gas is present in a neon sign bulb, right? And it is formed in the laboratory by the heating of many thousand degrees, right? Examples given here. Now next is about the Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay students, Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the fifth state of matter. So fifth state of matter. Fifth state of matter, that is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate, like I have written BEC. Okay, so this is the fifth state of matter. And now students, in the year 1920, Indian physics, that is the Satyendranath Nath Bose. Okay, Satyendranath Nath Bose and the Bose-Einstein. Okay, these two scientists are discovering after many calculations. Okay, after many calculations, then he discovered Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay students, how it is formed? So as the name you have studied, that Bose-Einstein condensate means condensation occurs, that means at very low temperature. Okay students, at very low density or extremely low temperature, then this condensation occurs. Okay, the Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by, or first I will tell you that Bose-EC. Okay, Bose-Einstein condensate is a gaseous semi-fluid. Sorry students, semi, not it is a semi, it is a superfluid. Okay, superfluid. Okay, gaseous superfluid formed by atoms cooled to very low temperature. Formed by atoms cooled to very low density and super low temperature. Okay, low temperature, that means nearly to absolute zero, nearly to absolute zero, right students? Nearly absolute zero. Then under these conditions, what happens? All atoms collapse into the lowest state. Okay, that means producing a superfluid, right? So at this condition, what happens? At this condition, all atoms collapse. All atoms collapse. All atoms collapse, that means into the lowest state. Okay, collapse, that means yes, into lowest state, right? And then producing that is superfluid. Last, producing a superfluid gas. Right, students? The Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas. Okay, by cooling a gas. Right, students? By cooling a gas at very low density and low temperature. Okay, students, the Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas extremely low temperature, about 100,000, right? This means the density is very low. Okay, students, the density is very low. That means very super low temperature. Then the condensation occurs. That means a gaseous superfluid is formed. That is known as the Bose-Einstein condensate. Right, students? So this is the fifth state of matter. These two you have to learn it, revise it very thoroughly, and be careful, because this type of questions will come like write short notes on Bose-Einstein condensate or plasma. Okay, so plasma is the fourth state of matter. And Bose-Einstein condensate is the fifth state of matter. Okay, students, so this much you have to learn it. Okay, thank you so much to all of you students. Thank you.